Yes. Hit the food button. Look at those tails. What floofy tails. Yes. No, you're in the way. Okay. Food. Come on. Come on. Kestrel. Oh. Psh. What a floofy tail. What floofy tails. Oh. I know. Good job sitting. Okay. Yes. I know. All right. Both things for you. Oh my gosh. I know. Why don't you give me a paw while you're sitting? Sit. Sit. One paw. Good job. Where's your bowl? Over here. Why is your bowl over here? I know. Oh, buddy. You're putting your face in the... Okay, well, whatever. Come on, Kestrel. Kestrel. Kestrel! Don't steal his food. You're gonna get your own. Psst. Baby. Come here. Kestrel, come here. Sit. I know, I love you too. Sit. Baby. Sit. Sit. Kestrel. Kestrel. Sit. Sit. Yes, good job. Sit. Uh-huh. Sit. Baby. Sit. Come on. You can't already be dead. No. Come on. No. Kestrel, sit. You gotta sit. No, don't you go after his food. Sit. Kestrel. Come on. Sit. Sit. Kestrel. Sit. 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 I love you too. Sit. Yeah, sit. Paw. Paw. One paw. Come on. Ah, baby, come. Not you. You already had your food. Kestrel, sit. Sit. Oh, you already did it. Paw. Come on. Paw. Good job. Nope. Merlin, you go have your food. No, you have your food. Go. Go eat your food. Am I gonna have to start separating you guys? Really? You got food. Go eat your food. I love you too. Come on. Come here. You come here. Look at all that. Look. Come on. Look at all that food. Yeah. See?